Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another review on Oraimo products. At this point, Oraimo should turn me into their ambassador because I've literally used at least 8 of their products. So I'm going to be doing a video review and telling you which is better, which one you should buy, and when you should buy because they always run discounts. So
long time, baby, you're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing Oraimo products. As I said, guess what, I ordered for these items like 3 weeks back. I can show receipt 3 weeks back, and it took them 3 weeks to deliver. I had to go back I had to keep calling, and then I went for a program during the weekend. Then a dispatch rider called me. He's at my place. I told him I'm not around, so you have to come to where I am and deliver. So that was how this guy carried the load and came in the night too. So I'm showing you guys here, but when I get back home after this weekend, I'll be reviewing the products.
I think Oraimo should make me the ambassador because I don't think there's any of their products I've not gotten. And I got it because most of their products are really nice, the ones I've used. So the first product I got for Oraimo was a USB cord. It's not here right now. The second item I got from them was this power bank, right? The third item I got from them was this what do you call it, AirPod, the Oraimo AirPod. That was the third thing I got from them. I feel like one thing I really like is their packaging, because this was how this came. I'll show you guys. Don't worry, I'll still do a video and show you guys. So this was how this came. It came like this, you can see. So it was covered like this and this.
Summer rain on the window, watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind.
The new one recently. I got their charger head because all the ones I've been buying don't used to last long. So I got this. I'm going to do a separate video to show you guys. So I got this recently from them, and then I got a smartwatch. So I really don't fancy, no, that would be a lie. I fancy Apple wristwatch, but right now it seems like something I can't afford. I don't think I can afford an Apple wristwatch. Like 250k on just a wristwatch is way above my budget. That's 1/4 of 1 million naira. It's above my budget. I can't afford it at the moment. So I got this smartwatch from Oraimo. So I'm going to open it up. So let's see what's in it. The good thing is that these guys, they do so well with their packaging. So let me open it here. You can see this. So you can see it. I open this. Oh. So this, I open it. Ta-da! So okay, this is the wristwatch. Wow. We need to do like a real unboxing for this. So this is how the wristwatch came, and this is it behind. This is the wristwatch here. It's looking like an Apple wristwatch. So hello. And this
feel the ground, I'm above that. They treat me like I'm having sun, show love back, I love that, okay. So far so great, I cannot play, don't miss yesterday. You know that we only going up. me how to love. You catch me on the move. Can't stress about how it was, know what I'm saying. Yeah.
Then I got a headset. As I said, by now this guy should make me their brand ambassador, because what is all this green going around here? So I got this. I like our roof. They were actually running a promotion when I got this. What it looks like. Let me bring it closer so you see me opening it. Are you seeing the opening? Tell me if you're seeing it. You're not seeing it. Are you serious? Are you seeing it? So this is it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I told you guys, these people, their packaging is madass. So there's this. Okay. And this is it. Whew. I can now be in the gym alone, sound, no extra noise. And this is from Boom Play. Wow, this is from Boom Play. So okay, it's adjustable too. So this is more like
You're making it hard to keep going. Real slow, real slow. It's late at night and I'm still checking for your message. Maybe it's the smoke, the burning feeling of my beverage. Try to push along, I use it for a little leverage. Try to win the game, but you was playing double coverage. Double cup, I'm leaning, I ain't sipping on no juice. Consider triple texting, I've been stressing. What's that?
one more. I got a smaller power bank for myself because this other one is very big. And then my store manager, they're always dragging for power bank. So now I've left the generator power bank for her. Why I use this small one, and it's very handy, like pocket friendly. I love this. So rating it on a 1 to, I would tell you guys how far these ones are going, but the AirPod is really nice. The AirPod is
Hello guys, so the general review is that for the headset, it's really very, like, I don't know how to explain. It's so nice, the sound is good, and you should get this. This is the bigger power bank that I talked about. I got the other time. The power bank is really heavy. That's the first thing you should know. The power bank is super heavy, so if you need something that you'll be going out with, this is not your bet. Just buy the smaller one, but it's so efficient and it lasts very long. Generally, the wristwatch, so far I've used it for like 2 days. It counts your steps, calories when you're running. Like, it does same job an Apple wristwatch would do. Maybe not everything, but it's efficient for what you need it for time. It takes calls, it shows notifications on your wristwatch. Like, if you connect it with your phone, it will show you the notifications. And then the socket, there's a problem with the socket. So one of the ports is not working so well. This particular white one of the ports is not working well. It has 2 ports, but one is not working well. Generally, Oraimo products are very nice, very nice, very nice. So if you want to use any of them, if you want to buy any of them, I can advise that you buy, but just buy what you need. Don't just go spending money. I bought what I needed, and that's all for today's review. Bye.